Welcome back. In this video, we're delving into the mysterious world of Facebook algorithms. I'm Mohammed, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how Facebook decides what content to show you. Let's jump in. First things first. What are Facebook algorithms? In simple terms, these are complex sets of rules and calculations that determine the content you see on your newsfeed. They tailor your Facebook experience based on your interests, interactions, and the platform's goals. So how do these algorithms work? Let me break it down for you. Facebook algorithms consider various factors like your past behavior, the type of content you engage with, and even the time you spend on different posts. They aim to show you content that's relevant and engaging. Let's head over to my Facebook newsfeed for a live demonstration. As I scroll through my feed, pay attention to the diversity of content posts from friends, pages I follow, and even sponsored content. Each item is strategically placed based on my preferences and interactions. Now, there are key factors influencing content ranking. These include your past engagement, the type of posts you interact with, text, images, videos, and the recency of the content. Facebook wants to keep your feed fresh and tailored to your evolving interests. Let's interact with a few posts, liking, commenting, and sharing. These interactions signal to Facebook what content I find interesting. As I engage, notice how the algorithm adapts, showing more content aligned with preferences. And there you have it, an introduction to Facebook algorithms. Understanding how they work is crucial for anyone navigating the platform. In our next video, we'll explore content strategy and how to create posts that resonate with your audience. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.